What's up, people? Check this out. Making money on eBay, $500 day. We've been having $500 days for the past 10 days. It feels awesome, and you should start selling on eBay. Oh yeah, and my YouTube is blowing up too like crazy. I'm getting, literally, I just passed 70,000 subscribers. And if you like my videos and you want to make some money on eBay and YouTube, please follow my channel and leave a comment below what you want. Thank you. Look at this. This is a $500 day right here for the past 10 days. I've been doing YouTube since 2010, and I've been doing full-time eBay since 2014. So I know a little bit about it, just a little bit, just enough to make, I don't know, over 100,000 bucks this year. So that's pretty good, right? So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Follow me on YouTube and what is it called? Facebook. No, don't follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Instagram at Andreyshunt. Thank you so much. Goodbye.